Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 945 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with an iPhone in two ways. The first way is to do it during the setup process of the watch, so basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, and the second way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set up the watch without pairing it to a phone. Okay, and first I'm gonna show you how to pair it through during the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Now, let's continue. And first thing we need to do with our watch, we need to turn it on. So let's press and hold the light button to turn on the watch. After you see the Garmin logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. In the meantime, we can download and install the Garmin Connect application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on Search, tap on the search bar, type in Garmin Connect, and tap on Search. Scroll through the list, find the Garmin Connect app, tap on it, and tap on the Get button to download and install the application. Now let's go to our watch, and as you can see, we have the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by using the up and down buttons. Select the language you would like to use on your watch, then press the Start button to confirm. As you can see, now we're being asked if you want to pair the watch with a phone. We need to select yes, and then press the Start button. The watch will enter pairing mode, looks like this, and let's wait. Okay, once the application is done installing, tap on the Open button to open it. In the app, once you open it, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. The Bluetooth one is required, so tap on the OK to allow it. And then you will need to log in into an account. As you can see, the app remembers my account, so I can just tap on continue, but by default, you probably will see this page, and here you can log in or create an account. If you don't have an account, create it. If you have an account, simply tap on sign in. Okay, I'm gonna go back, tap on continue, check the box, and tap on next. As you can see, we get more pop-ups about the permissions. This one is for the notifications. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. And as you can see, the app automatically detected our watch right here. We can tap on connected, enter the code from the watch, then tap on pair. You can allow or deny another permission for the notifications. Then tap next. Here we can set up a bedtime, so basically the time on which you go to sleep and the time on which you wake up. This is useful if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. So basically mute the notifications when you're sleeping. And you can set up the bedtime by tapping right here, then swiping up and down like that. Then we can set up the wake time, and then you can tap on next and select if you want to use the do not disturb mode or not. I'm gonna tap on yes, but you can tap on no if you want to. Here we can select to send the recent training data to our new device. I'm gonna tap on no and tap next, but you can tap on yes if you want to. Then we have the location permission. This one is required if you want to track your, for example, routes while you're cycling, running, and stuff like that. So the app will need permissions for that. But if you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it denied. I'm just gonna tap on allow, and I'll allow while using the app. Next, we have the calendar access. This one is required if you want to interact with the calendar on the watch. You can deny it if you want to. I'm just gonna allow it. Then tap on sync now, tap on finish. You can go through the tutorial on how to use the watch by tapping on next. I'm just gonna tap on skip, then tap on dismiss, and at this point you can tap on more option scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and on the devices page, you should see your Forerunner 945. You can tap on it, and here you will see the device page for your watch, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.